very happy starting off the year and the first tournament. So and the first win, I'm very happy. I think in the second game it was important for me to get that win because I was trailing, but then I had that confidence and I never gave up. And I think Revansha sitting behind me for the first time. And I hope overall it went on really well, and I'm very thankful to the fans because they've been amazing. Each and every point, even though I was trailing, they were like, never give up, fight until the last point. So I think I'm very thankful to them. I think he just told me that, to just relax and be patient and keep fighting for every point. It's fine, it doesn't matter. It's the first game after, I think, almost 1 month. And he was like, just play easy. Just be very patient, you will get it. That's what he said. There was no much of a strategy per se. Because I was already playing well, it was just that simple errors or, my strokes were going to the mid-court, that is all. We just started training together, and I think it's very important, the bond is very important between a coach and a player. So, I mean, it will definitely take time to understand, what he's thinking or what I'm thinking, and accordingly he needs to give me the input from outside. So I mean, it is taking time, definitely, yes, but I think it's going on well. Good start for the season, I would say, for the year. It's been pretty good. I mean, we've trained, I think, for 1.5 weeks, max to max. I mean, we didn't get much time, and I think apart from that, yeah, I mean, there were lots of ups and downs last year, but I think I ended off with a good win, and I think that gave me the confidence, and I feel it's just a matter of time and rhythm, and I am getting back there, so I think it should be good. I mean, obviously it doesn't matter, if you win or lose. It's very important that, you give your 100% at the end of the day. If you work hard, definitely you will get success.
Was it because of the rhythm?
I don't think so. I mean, I think second game it was more of, I was, I think, giving to the mid-court, even though, because my coach was telling that, my strokes were going mid-court or my strokes were going into a hand. I think that's what he told me, and I think it did not carry. I mean, I feel it didn't carry that way, but I think overall it was just that, those simple errors where I had to be a little more cautious to make sure the shuttle went back. I think 20 all or 18, 17, 18 all and 19 all, I think that's when the game is very important, and it was very intense. She was also making sure that, she plays everything into the court, and there were long rallies, and for me also it was important, to attack, because she was also trying to keep the shuttle down, not giving me to attack. So I think the game that way became faster, and I think after 20 all it was anybody's game. So for me, I wanted to, make sure I attack and then let's carry on to the net. Everybody would want that to finish in 2 sets, because third set is an unnecessary energy and then you get tensed. Automatically, even though you want to play well, unforced errors happen. That does tend to happen because it's the first game, and I'm sure even for her it's the same. So obviously I wanted to finish off in the straight 2 sets so that I get much more rest for the next match. Definitely, yes, after a certain break, everybody would have that, it's the first tournament, when you're playing, there are unforced errors. It will take some time to get used to the courts, used to the shuttles. So I think overall it is more of the, how you manage accordingly. Even though you have bad days, you accordingly should manage and make sure, you be alert on the court and be prepared for every shuttle. Yeah, I mean, if I'm not wrong, even she plays doubles as well. So even though if it's her first tournament, I think it was important for me to just play my game and give my best.